This is a parliamentary dictation with the speed of 80 words per minute taken from SSC D grade steno examination year 2024. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready. Mr. Chairman, sir, I would like to say that government is providing money for rural areas of our country, but that money should be spent to strengthen the fishery industry, sugar industry, agro-based industry. The money should be invested only towards that direction. For the cultivation of banana, sugar cane, or be it fishery, dairy, farming, agriculture based industries, etc., that would lead to generation of more and more avenues of employment in rural areas of our country. The government should invest money to strengthen these areas to develop our rural areas. Sir, the Honorable Labour Minister wanted our suggestions. I do not like to embarrass the government by quoting the economic survey figures presented by the same government. The data available states that of the total number job seekers registered with the employment exchanges, more than 70% youths are educated. The number of women job seekers registered was of the order of 2 crores. Sir, unemployment is closely related to the increase in population. Population of this country is increasing by leaps and bounds. All the steps to control growing population will help in solving the problem of unemployment. Poverty is one of the major factors. Besides, lack of proper planning, corruption and illiteracy are also contributing to this problem. Problem of educated unemployed is all the more serious when the educated youth fail to get employment as per their capability. They turn hostile, they feel frustrated, and they resort to strikes and protests. To how many places will you send central forces to control the agitation of youths? They do it either in the name of X extremist activity or otherwise, they fall prey to antisocial elements. They exploit them to serve their ends. They become a challenge for the society. They create law and order problem. The maximum number of job seekers awaiting employment was in West Bengal, while the minimum was in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. But this government is claiming that the employment opportunities are going up. Where is it going up? I accept many statements of the honorable member. At least he understood what the present situation is. Did the government address those issues? No, not at all. No efforts have been made so far. The country has not become so industrialized that it can accommodate the educated unemployed youth. This situation has led to migration. There is a lot of pressure on big cities, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, etc. Every day thousands of youth reach these cities in search of employment. They create pressure on the civic amenities of these cities. Sir, I would like to submit that if the government cannot give jobs to the youth, it should not punish the unemployed youth by asking them pay the fees for every employment opportunity that he undertakes. Therefore, I appeal to the Honorable Labour Minister through you, sir, to abolish immediately all kinds forms. Stop.